Hello guys, so for today's vlog, we will answer again another comments from our comment section regarding the DJI RS4. It says here, shout out to Shailene Anderson. I'm not sure if I pronounce your name in correct way, but it's here at Shailene Anderson. So how easy was it to balance? I was curious about how much your camera weight. I own the Canon 5D. I'm sure this is a Canon 5D Mark IV with a 2470 millimeter and setup weighs almost 4 pounds or 2 kilos. So I kind of wanted something to compare. So, yan. Instead, you will compare, I'm gonna show you here the DJI RS4 Pro with the Canon 5D Mark IV and 2470. So, yan. Shout out to Guru from the marketplace. If you want to check DSLR camera use, you can visit our AAB World Marketplace. We have tons of DSLR or mirrorless camera use item in the marketplace. So, again guys, this is our setup. First, we need to go with the balance position. Huh? Unlock. Okay. So, yan. Okay. Okay, lock. Lock and lock. So, lock. First, proceed to the balance position. This is our balance position. Move the plate. Okay. Put in the camera. Okay. Yun. So 5D. Okay, close. Now, we'll talk about motor 1, motor 2, and motor 3. So, first, we'll balance, unlock the motor 1. So, unlock this part. See? Make sure that the camera is in correct level. Unlock this part. Yeah, just make it straight. Then, lock. Next is upside. Make sure that this camera is facing up. So, you need to unlock this part and push back, so it will balance a little, and yes, so the camera then lock this part, then the camera is already facing out. Again, for the last part, make sure that the camera will be in the horizontal position, and yan, so it balanced already. The motor 1 is already balanced. Let's go with the motor 2. Motor 1 and motor 2. Unlock. Just push, make it sure that this is balance. Yeah. So, yan. Motor 1 and motor 2 is already balanced. Let's go with the motor 3. Unlock this part. And make sure that it's balanced like horizontal, flat. Sorry, this one. Yeah. So, push a little. Okay. Up. See? It's too much. Let's push back a little. Then, make sure that it's like this, guys. It's flat. So, now we have a perfect balance for Moto 1, 2, and 3. Let's make sure again. Let's balance. Okay. I think it's heavy a little. So, yan. Then lock. Make sure that you have a not 100% balance, at least 90 or 99% balance. Now, let's turn on. We've done already balancing the motor 1, 2, and 3. And if the icon is green, that you can see here in the screen, if the icon is green, meaning you have a perfect balance. So, it's already green. Next part we're gonna do, we can remove this. So this is next part we're gonna do is calibrate. So we will start calibrating, and then so it's done. Now lock. Now it's done. Green. Our battery is almost dead. So yeah, 7%. It's perfect balance, guys. 5D Mark IV with 2470 to the DJI RS4 Pro. So, yan. To Shailene Anderson. So, yes, ma'am, it's perfectly balanced. The 5D Mark IV with the 2470 to the DJI RS4 Pro. So, yan guys. Actually, if you go to the website, it's compatible via micro USB and connect to the DJI. If you want to control or if you want to use buttons like record buttons, and it's also in the website that's compatible via USB. So, ayan, I think that's it for today's vlog. It's a quick vlog regarding the Canon 5D Mark IV to the DJI RS4 Pro. So, yan. Shout out to, again, to Shailene Anderson. So, yan. I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this DJI RS4 Pro or DJI RS4 or DJI RS3 Mini, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. Regarding for the DSLR camera, you can check to our AB World Marketplace. We have a tons of DSLR camera on that. The marketplace. So, yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.